splitter on, just adding some 3M tape to make me feel a little bit more confident with this, just to hold it on. The nice thing with these is they'll use the factory hardware a lot of times, so it makes it a little bit easier to put up. Don't have to figure out a way to make bolts or use a self-tapper or something like that. So just a little bit nicer way. This helps with aerodynamics because it goes over the thing.